If you build it, they will come. If you build it, they will come.
Hey, what was that? David, did you hear that? David! Hey, David. David.
What's up?
That voice. Did you hear that?
No.
Hold on, let me see if I can. What was that? What was that?
If you build it, they will come.
Yeah, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
What did it say?
If you build it, they will come.
So what, are you gonna build a baseball field now?
That's unlikely. But what I was thinking was we host a virtual event for the entire Atlassian community, like the whole world. A place where Jira users can talk to developers and developers can talk to users of Atlassian products, and agilists and thought leaders and people who can really help them and set up one-on-ones and do all these amazing things and learn all these incredible things that you can do with the Atlassian platform. What do you think about that? I knew you'd agree. I'm on it. The honor is yours, my friend. Anytime now.